This is T6. T6. This is a tool change spindle. It can press this button. Take it off. Then after installing. T11 to T18. 4 mainly used for vertical machining. Vertical machining. Combination number 1 is the hinge hole motor. Hinge. This is a dedicated spindle. OK. T2. Side drilling, including punching side holes. Keyhole side process. T3 is for Lamello. T4. It's a Lamello CP14 reverse pilot. T5. T5 is cut 45 degrees. 45 degree. This can also be adjusted horizontally. When you take it, unscrew it, after leveling it. Can be used as a horizontal spindle.